What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, guys. So I finally got a moment to grab some more electronic stuff. Today we're talking earbuds, but I wanted to show you what I've been using these probably for the past 2 years. They're made by LG. They're great. They're the ones that pull out and you put in your ears, and they just sit right in there. I use them at the gym. It's connected to, and you let them hang, and then you push a button, and they just pull right up. They're convenient. They stick on your neck like this. They grip your neck so you don't have to worry about it, kind of like your sunglasses would. They're great. They're all wireless, Bluetooth. I don't have to worry about it. So there is a little bit of wire because you got to pull the wire out and then put it in your ear. So anyway, I wanted the ones that are truly wireless. The truly wireless ones are like the Apple AirPods, okay? I'm not a big fan of the AirPods. I just don't like that. It's so stupid. It's designed. I've always liked Apple's earbuds. They always work. They sit in my ear nice. I don't have to worry about it. So I'm not a big fan of Apple Beats. Apple Beats, when they bought that company, Beats, the last time I remember putting Beats headphones on, this is regarding my radio days. Okay, when I was on the radio, I'd be on for like 5 hours. So I had to have the music booming, the headset on when I was talking and everything. And the Beats by Apple are too bassy. I know people load the bass or to vibrate their car and annoy you when you're at a red light and all that stuff, but they don't, they're not balanced well. You can't leave them on more than 10, 15 minutes. I need something I can leave on for hours. So if I'm on the treadmill for a half hour, it's still not hurting. It's not giving me a headache. Apple Beats give me a headache. So that's why I'm not a fan of the Beats. So this is my favorite company. I got these. Whoops, can you see it? There you go. I got these for Christmas last year. I haven't even opened them. The plastic's still on and everything. I just never gotten around to talking about these, using these. I've always ran to these. So, but I got these because I love BOSE. BOSE has great high end. They have great low end. They have mid range, everything. It's more like listening to a true orchestra playing beautifully. It's just awesome. It's well balanced. I've been going through BOSE for years in my house. For years. So let me pull out this, hold on. Let's hold that. Let's talk about the first BOSE that I got. I have almost the entire collection. So there we go. So being a radio DJ, I wasn't into earbuds, anything that pushed in my ear, because I didn't want to lose my hearing or anything. So I went with these on-ear wireless, and these were amazing. You didn't have to put a battery in them. I think that's so stupid having to put a battery in to make them noise canceling. Really? How about you just make them noise canceling? But anyway, so these are wireless, and I started with that. And these are by BOSE, and they sound great. I'm worried about my hearing by putting an earbud in that there's no way to let sound out. But it seems like they've kind of worked around that. Like the first earbuds that ever came out, you jam them in, the sound would go in and damage your eardrum. So anyway, so those are the first ones I got. Then I got these. Look how nice that is. This fits in my pocket. This is so tiny. I take this on airplanes. This is not wireless. This is a plug-in earbuds by BOSE. Let me show you. Hold on. This is what I love about BOSE, because these were, your wired earbuds. But the thing I liked most about the BOSE, I had to get an adapter so it would work on the new iPhone, because they don't have a headphone jack anymore. But the adapter's like $8. I got that in the packet too. So when I go on planes, I use these, because I don't want to use my really expensive ones, because these are, if I lose them or whatever, So anyway, see that band at the top there? Kind of that hooked. This is the design they do. Oh, I think I got the wrong one. Hold on, let me grab the other ear. This is the design they do. So when you put it in your ear, you put it in, then you rotate. And what you do is, I don't know if you can see, but that bend, that hooks right in your ear so it can't fall out. Okay, and the sound's amazing. Okay, so this is just regular plug and play. All right. But you will need an adapter because it has the headphone jack, and your iPhone or Android, everybody's gotten rid of the headphone jack. So you're gonna have to, sometimes I just put these in on the airplane so I don't hear the crying baby behind me. So that's crazy. So we've been a BOSE family for years. BOSE is just thick and it just sounds great. I really can't show you. I'm gonna pull these out and I'm gonna play some music on it, see if we can hear it on the camera microphone. I'm gonna turn the music up and put the earbud near the microphone so you can not hear how great they are, because you'd have to be here in person. But you can hear that good volume's coming out of it. Nothing's worse than earbuds that don't turn up loud enough. Have you ever had that? Where like you're on an airplane, you can hear the noise around you, people talking and stuff. There is no noise cancellation built in. There's nothing, there's barely any volume. And that's one of the frustrating things. So we're gonna open this up right now and show you what the package looks like. But as you can see over the years, I've gone through all the BOSE headsets. I've had the wired on ear, I've had the wireless on ear. I've done the wired earbuds. Now I'm doing, this is the wireless earbuds. And they have the hook that hooks right in your ear. That's a comfortable fit for me. If you're worried or you drop or they come out of your ears all the time, the Apple ones, they're made of that white, smooth material that I don't like if I'm working out and it begins to sweat and I just don't feel right. So anyway, I don't know how you feel about your headphones or why you like BOSE or don't like BOSE, but so far I've settled on BOSE for the past 10 years. So let's open this up and I'll show you. It's got a case, the case is chargeable, the whole thing, all right? Oh yeah, and Jack Jr. loves his. He has a set just like this that he uses at the gym every single time he works out. So anyway, let's get this open and take a look. Oh yeah, by the way, so when you shop for earbuds, whether they're BOSE or any other brand, make sure they fit well, make sure the volume is loud enough for you, that it's at a comfortable volume, not blaring so you're gonna go deaf. And make sure there's a way on the earbud for noise to escape. You don't want to trap all the noise inside your ear. It's just really dangerous. So when you're shopping around, make sure you've checked all those out and go with whatever brand you love. All right, comes in a nice box. Okay, then it opens up. It shows you what it looks like. And there you go. That is your case to hold the buds. I'm guessing the buds are inside that case. Here's your little booklet. You get 2 replacement earbuds, 2 more. So you get a total of 4. Got your charger, which you're probably gonna want a longer one than this. I don't know why they give you like 3 inches, but they do. Always drives me nuts. Then you got stupid pack that absorbs moisture. We're never gonna need that ever again. So you can see that the flashing light probably means it's charging the earpiece. So I'll have to look that up in the booklet. But you can see they wrote BOSE on the earpiece, and it's gonna have a hook that should fit comfortably in your ear. So as you can see, there's a rubber piece that's gonna fit in my ear. So I tried to put it in my ear and it's too big. And then I looked over here and these, see there's an S on here? This is a smaller size I'm gonna need. So these heads that go on top of the earbuds, this is the smaller one. And then there's an L, and that's a larger one. So these are probably mediums, I'm guessing, or they're just small and large. So I'll have those replaced, and then we will take a look at it. You can see the charging dots right there. Those probably need to be right on top of those dots. Oh, they're magnetic. Oh, wow, look. So when you put those dots, they have magnets. And they just pop, it literally pulls it right into the hole. So I'm really excited. There's your volume control. Make sure that your earbuds can answer the phone, period. If the earbuds don't answer the phone, You don't want them. They're just stereo earbuds, and it's not the almost every brand answers your telephone now. All right, I got the earbuds in. You can see it. It feels like it looks like those plugs people put in their ears. But anyway, as you can see, it snugly fits into the crevices of my ear. I hope you can see it. Not sure if you can, but it's not going to come out, and I can't play it at full volume. I'm going to wait till I get Tammy's phone because it won't let me record and play music at the same time. I don't know why, but it does that. So, all right, let me just take it off and show you how loud it can get. Okay, the good news is now that I'm recording the music, it gets muted. So while I'm recording, the music shuts off, but when I turn it off, it comes back on. So that's pretty cool. Normally, when I go to camera, the music on my phone shuts off and never comes back on. I have to always hit play again and again and again. So that's a good point. So it automatically knows that my phone's not recording anymore, and it goes back to music and it plays it again. It goes into the earbuds. I believe this one is the left. Is this the left? There should be an L somewhere. Wasn't there an L somewhere? Anyway, this is the left earbud, and there's a button on top. Do you see it? That is the on-off button. And then on the right earbud is for volume control, up or down, minus and plus. And I'm believing the middle one, I guess you could just answer the phone just as your calls come in. And then there's your charging case. If you're trying to open this, that button, you press that button in, all the lights will light up and you can pop open the case, put your earbuds back in, and get it to charging again. All right, I'm not gonna enhance the volume in my video. So I'm giving you the real raw footage of my video. All right, now that's booming in your ears. I got it turned up all the way. It's too loud for me. I need it 1 or 2 notches down from the top volume. So there you go. I'll give you an idea. I know it's so crude to just put the phone camera up to the earbuds, but that's the best I can do. I have no other way of showing you other than having you guys come over to my house. And there you go. That is the BOSE free Soundsport. Let me show you how much it costs to get at, like, on Amazon. Okay, as you can see here on Amazon, it is an Amazon's choice. I don't know what that means, probably because they paid extra to be featured, but they have some shots of the earbuds. There you go. And if you go down here, it's $200, $199, and it looks like they have 4 colors. They have black, blue. Oh, they've got ultraviolet. Oh, I'm buying those for Tammy. She loves purple. Isn't it crazy? Bright orange and ultraviolet, which is purple. So anyway, that's it, guys. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.